Welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today's topic is what new things do I wish Bharat to have in 2047? Poem in English. In the heart of Bharat, as the years unfold. In the heart of Bharat, as the years unfold, dreams of a future bright and bold. Dreams of a future bright and bold. A tapestry woven with hope and grace. A tapestry woven with hope and grace. Here are my wishes for our vibrant place. Here are my wishes for our vibrant place. I wish for a land where green trees thrive. I wish for a land where green trees thrive. Where clean air and water help nature survive. Where clean air and water help nature survive. Cities that sparkle with innovation and light. Cities that sparkle with innovation and light. Sustainable living, a future so bright. Sustainable living, a future so bright. Education for all, from young to the old. Education for all, from young to the old. Where every child's story is lovingly told. Where every child's story is lovingly told. Knowledge that empowers, skills that ignite. Knowledge that empowers, skills that ignite. A nation of thinkers ready to take flight. A nation of thinkers ready to take flight. Unity in diversity, our strength to embrace. Unity in diversity, our strength to embrace. A tapestry rich in every culture and race. A tapestry rich in every culture and race. Let's kindness and respect be the thread that we wave. Let's kindness and respect be the thread that we wave. Together we flourish, together believe. Together we flourish, together believe. Healthcare accessible for each and every soul. Healthcare accessible for each and every soul. A system that cares, making the broken whole. A system that cares, making the broken holes. Mental wellness cherished with love as the key. Mental wellness cherished with love as the key. A Bharat that thrives where all can be free. A Bharat that thrives where all can be free. Innovation and teach at the forefront we stand. Innovation and teach at the forefront we stand. Harnessing progress together hand in hand. Harnessing progress together hand in hand. With courage and vision, let's pave the way. With courage and vision, let's pave the way for a Bharat that shines brighter each day. For a Bharat that shines brighter each day. So here's to the future, let our spirits rise. So here's to the future, let our spirits rise. In 2047, let's reach for the skies. In 2047, let's reach for the skies. A Bharat that blossoms, a Bharat that blossoms in harmony and peace. In harmony and peace, a land of promise, a land of promise, where all trouble cease, where all troubles cease. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comment. Bye friends.